Hey everybody, John the Phone Guy here, and we got another bracelet sizing. So this is the Subaqua Noma III in the Heritage collection. As you can always tell by the fact that it's got AL signature on the back. My apologies, trying to focus here, right? Get my light right. Right there. This model is 29210, and obviously, as you can tell, I don't usually do this, but I love the Salida SW200. The smooth movement on this is just amazing to watch. All polished out, like super bling. So, but we're trying to size watches, so let's size this guy. And as always, check your arrows, and let's get right to it. I am my wrist size is a little bit between 6 3/4 and 7 for perspective. So I have to remember how far I have to go, so it's slightly different. I have other sub 3s, but this is the first time I've sized a few watches in a while, so I have to think about how many to do now. Slightly different, but my method is always kind of simple set, try it on, and then work my way back. So here we go. Somebody's being difficult. I grabbed the wrong pin, that's why. I grabbed my 7mm instead of my 9. There we go. Okay. So over here. Always put them back in direction they came out. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, it's a little loose, but I think that's going to work for me, which means I'm going to set these guys and then I'm going to micro adjust. Okay. And we're gonna, sorry, going a little fast here. We're gonna micro adjust. As loose it is, I'm thinking 2. if you saw my last video where I was doing that blue label and I went a little too fast, it was a little bit more difficult to move them, so I generally stick with that. Alright, just a little bit of jiggle, and that's how I like them. So we're good there. Micro adjusted, and we are out the door. Now what I also do with all my bracelet pieces is I just take and put them all together so I can keep track of them all. Let's kind of set that so it doesn't go out of the way. On the tag, I write the model number on the tag, and then this way I can slip it through here like this. And I use, well, this is a 3x3. 3x2s work really well too. So slip this guy down inside, put it so you can see the number, zip this guy up, and you can see the outside and you can see the model number. So there you have it. And with that, that is our Subaqua Noma III Heritage Collection, and model number is 29210. And quick shout out to Instagram, Smitten by Invicta, women's fashion, and Invicta as a style option. YouTube, Trap Vision 3D, Invicta Lifestyle, great source of information. Also, Tommy Big Time has a wealth of knowledge out there. Shop HQ and Invicta stores is where we do the vast majority of our shopping. And of course, Facebook friends, Invictaholics, Invictacruisers, and InvictaVets. And with that, if you enjoyed this video or any others that I have, if you would subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know when the next one hits. And until then, take care and enjoy your Invicta watches.